Hey man, welcome to the channel, Freeform Stoners, man. And I say Freeform Stoners because, yeah, we smoke a lot of weed. So, yeah, but anyways, we're here to talk about Freeform Dreads, man. If you don't know what it is, you don't know where the fuck you from.
I'm so high, I don't wanna calm down. Tell them bitches, they can meet me in the back. For them niggas, tell them niggas, all that hating shit is whack. For them niggas, tell them niggas.
I go by the name of Jaree, Ja for short. But today we're gonna be giving you 5 tips on getting freeform dreads. First off, we're not even doing all that extra shit, man. I'm gonna say like and subscribe to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? If you like the video, we're gonna have more comment. But you know what I'm saying? We finna get straight into it. Fuck all that extra shit. You know what I'm saying? Tip number one, okay? Patience. You're gonna need patience for this shit, man. Like, this shit just, it ain't just gonna happen the next day, the next 2 days, the next 3 days, man. You need patience, dog. I'm in like my 6 months into this shit, like, and you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's still patience, you know what I'm saying? I started when it was like about this fucking big, though. You know, so I mean, they're growing, you know what I'm saying? You see these are kind of connected right here, you know. But shit, they're still small. They're still small, but you know what I'm saying? It's patience, and you can't worry about what people think about you and shit, man. That's number 2 right there. You can't worry about what people think about you. Perception. That's all it is. Tip number 2. You can't worry about what people think about you. All it is a perception. Everybody got their own perception and shit. Like, it doesn't matter. Opinions. They're like turds. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? Everybody has them. You know what I mean? If you want to grow dreads, you grow dreads. You know what I'm saying? If you think it's an ugly stage, then that's you. If they think it, that's them. Like, you got to find a beauty within yourself. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much the point. You know, like, fuck them. There's no ugly stages. You know what I'm saying? It's all perceptions, you know. Shit, you might think mines are ugly, you know what I'm saying? I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I look at them sometimes and be like, what the fuck? But, you know what I'm saying? I like them though, I love them, you know what I'm saying? It's me, being free, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta look like the next person. I ain't gotta do what they doing, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing me, you know, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now tip number 3 is do not overwash, okay? I know some people, you know what I'm saying, other channels or whatever, other videos, they're gonna tell y'all once every week, once every 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Me, I know for my hair, my type hair, like, this is almost like a 4C, I guess, but my type of hair, like, I had to actually wait out my washes, you know what I'm saying? Like, I couldn't wash it, or especially when I was starting out, because it had come out when I washed it, you know what I'm saying? So I had to wash my hair like once every 3 weeks or every 4 weeks. And I know that's dirty. It's like, I know you like, God damn, that's bad. I can't even believe I said it. But yeah, really though. And I mean, now, you know what I'm saying? Now that my hair is all locked and stuff, I can wash it every 2 weeks, every once a week, you know what I'm saying? Because I sweat a lot and I work in a warehouse, but I can wash it, you know what I'm saying, more now, you know what I'm saying? Which I still don't, you know what I'm saying, for I don't see why, but you know, sometimes you forget, you know what I'm saying? That's the best thing about these, you know what I'm saying? You can pretty much wake up and rock out, you know what I'm saying? It's not, I gotta fix my hair, and, you know what I'm saying? Okay, sometimes you forget to wash your hair, you know what I'm saying? But you don't have to. Tip number 4, leave your shit alone. I repeat, leave your shit alone. Don't touch it. Don't be fucking twisting it. None of that. Leave them alone. Start them however you're going to start them and let them grow. You know what I'm saying? However you fucking start it. That's another video how I started mine. That shit is fucking, It's funny, but I mean, I'm pretty sure people did it. I actually seen a couple people or whatever, but that's another video for another time. But leave it alone, man. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. There's no way, you know what I'm saying, you're going to know how it's going to come out. Like, they're going to do what they're going to do. You know what I'm saying? Your shit might look like The Weeknd's, or it might fucking look like Jay-Z or fucking J. Cole. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't know how the fuck, you know what I'm saying? They're going to grow how the fuck they're going to grow. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing you can do about that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? If you keep playing with them, and, you know what I'm saying, they're not going to be freeform dreads anymore. You know what I'm saying? I guess. All right. For the last tip number 5, okay? Don't be putting all those products in your hair. Fucking oils, fucking spray, lock-in gel, all that shit. Like, none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to use some oil, I recommend putting it in like a spray bottle. You know what I'm saying? Filling it up with a little bit of water and, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of oil, however the fuck. You know what I'm saying? Shake it up. And, you know what I'm saying? You spray. You know what I'm saying? You spray it. You dig in. You spray it. You know what I'm saying? Work it around or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And you keep it moving. But don't overload your hair with products. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to have good dreads with that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's going to cause it to build up, and you don't want that. You know what I'm saying? Then that's going to cause for you to wash it more and all that. But you don't want that. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. So don't use all those products in your head. Just let your hair grow. Leave it alone. Let it grow. After a while, you're going to forget. You know what I'm saying? You're going to forget. You're going to forget, dude. Like, you're going to forget that it's there. Like, once you get out of the habit of, you know what I'm saying, trying to manipulate it, twist it, and putting all this shit in there, you forget. You know what I'm saying? After about 3 weeks, you know what I'm saying, you forget. Seriously. After about 21 days, you forget about this shit. If you do it for 21 days, you'll forget about it. So, you know what I'm saying? To recap everything all over, tip number 1 was patience. You know what I'm saying? It's a journey. You know what I'm saying? It's a journey. Tip number 2 was you can't care about what people think. All right? It's, you know what I'm saying? It's you. It's your life. You do what you want to do with your life. Tip number 3 was do not overwash, okay? Don't overwash your hair, you know what I'm saying? Wash it once every 3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Once every 4 weeks, like that. But make sure you do wash your hair, you know what I'm saying? Do wash your hair, but don't overwash your hair. Tip number 4 was leave your shit alone. Don't be twisting your dreads. Don't be manipulating your dreads, man. It's the reason why they call freeforms, you know what I'm saying? Or semi-free forms, whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? But don't be in there playing with your shit, you know what I'm saying? If you need to scratch your shit, but, you know what I'm saying, don't twist it, and, you know what I'm saying? None of that shit there. And tip number 5, don't be putting all those products in your hair, man. Don't be putting all that shit in your hair, man, you know what I'm saying? Get you the oil that you like, you know what I'm saying? I like Jamaican black castor oil. I fucks with that, you know what I'm saying? Get you some water, get you a spray bottle, shake it up, put it in there, you know what I'm saying? Put it in there. That's all you got to do if you want to put some oil in your hair, you know what I'm saying? So those pretty much was the 5 tips. Let me see if there's any more, you know what I'm saying? I got some more free game for you, you know what I'm saying? I got a little time, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying, just for some shits and giggles, just for shits and giggles, you know what I'm saying? Some extra notes, extra tips, you know what I'm saying? Also drink water, you know what I'm saying? Watch what you eat, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to eat super healthy, you know what I'm saying? I don't eat super healthy, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to eat super healthy, but don't eat like a fucking pig, you know what I'm saying? Don't eat like a pig, you know what I'm saying? Drink water. Don't overdrink water. You know what I'm saying? Drink water when you need it, you know what I'm saying? I'm on this thing to where that's all I really drink, you know what I'm saying, is water. But, you know, it's times where you don't want water, so instead of me going to get something else to drink, I don't drink nothing until let's get a bottle of water, you know what I'm saying? You don't gotta overdrink it, you know? But anyways, y'all, that was the video, man. I hope y'all liked it. You know, like, subscribe, comment, please, please, please. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Gonna have more videos coming. You know what I'm saying? I do music too, so you know what I'm saying. I'll be having my music in the link description. Also in the intros of the songs. Also, and you know, especially when you know what I'm saying we talking, we get a big enough audience. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can sing y'all music in. Man, we're gonna have, man, I got shit planned for the channel, man. I got shit planned for the channel, man. You see my shirt, man. Real hustle, no days off. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Everything's a hustle. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, man, it's your boy Jaree, man. I'm signing out, man. To all my freeform stoners. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Smoke plenty of weed. Don't do no dumb shit. Don't do no crazy drugs. You know what I'm saying? And let your hair grow. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. Peace.